Hey everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on hand-over-hand steering. In this video, I will be showing you how to use hand-over-hand steering, and this video will be geared towards people that are learning to drive. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So as you can see, the first step in using hand-over-hand steering is getting your hands and placing them on the steering wheel. Now you want to have them in roughly this position. Now this is about the 10 and 2 position, and if you go a little bit higher or a little bit lower, that's pretty much okay. But you're imagining the steering wheel as a clock, and your right hand is going to be at the 2 o'clock position, and your left hand is going to be at the 10 o'clock position. Now, like I said, it can be a little bit lower, a little bit higher. That's perfectly fine. Now, for hand-over-hand steering, one hand is basically going to be going over the other hand. It's as simple as that, and it's a very effective steering method, and it's actually the method that I use to steer the majority of the time while I drive, for most of the driving situations that I am in. All right, so moving forward, you have your hands in this position. Let's say you want to turn the wheel left. I'm going to use my right hand over here. My right hand is going to pull the wheel to the left, and my left hand is going to go over my right hand, and it's going to grab it just like this. Now, my hands, as you can see, are a little bit crossed, but now I'm going to bring my right hand under my left hand, and now my hands are on opposite sides of the wheel again. My left hand's going to go over, right hand's going to go under. Just like that, okay? That's hand over hand steering to the left. The next up is going to be hand over hand steering to the right. Now, once again, I'm going to start off with my hands like this. What I want to do is I want to use my left hand to bring the steering wheel over towards the right, and my right hand's going to go over my left. Left hand goes under, and they uncross. Right hand goes over, and they cross. Left hand goes under. Just like that, okay? Very simple. Now, what I'm going to do, let's just steer all the way to the right. So I'm going to show you in a little bit of a faster motion, steering to the left, using hand-over-hand steering, and steering to the right. And then I'll tell you about one of the main benefits. All right, so let's steer to the left. Once again, I'm going to do this a little bit faster with a little bit less explanation. I'm going to start with my right hand because I'm steering to the left. So it's going to go over, under, just like that. Now, if I was steering to the right, I'm going to start with my left hand doing the work as I'm steering to the right over here. So my left hand's going to do the work. I'm going to go over, under, just like that. Now, here is one of the main benefits of using hand-over-hand steering. You get a very smooth steering pattern, okay? As you can see, when you practice hand-over-hand steering and you get better at doing it, you're going to get a very smooth steering pattern. Watch the wheel. It's just going to continually turn and turn and turn, just like this. As you can see, it's turning at basically the same pace, just like this. Just as you can see right there, it's turning at the same pace. Now, also, another benefit is that it's a very versatile steering method, meaning I can use this in so many different driving situations because I can do it slowly or fast. Let's say that I wanted to turn left slowly. I could do hand-over-hand steering. I could use hand-over-hand steering to steer to the left smoothly, continually, and slowly. Or I can do the same thing with the right, steering to the right, smoothly, continually, and slowly, just like that. Now, let's say I wanted to steer fast. Once again, I could steer fast, just like that. And smoothly, it's a continual pattern. And that's basically it. I mean, there are so many benefits to hand-over-hand steering, but I've outlined how to do it, and I've also shown you some of the main benefits of using it. It's a great steering method. It gives you pretty much a good amount, I would say a great amount of control over the steering wheel. It allows you to control it smoothly and safely, and it's just a very versatile steering method, meaning you can use this when you're driving in a straight line and you have to make a right turn. You know, you're driving in a straight line and you have to turn right. You can do that. Let's say that you are driving and you have to do a U-turn, so you have to turn the wheel quickly. You could do that. You have to do a 3-point turn, so you got to steer. Let's say that I'm pulled over. I have to steer all the way to the left, then all the way to the right in reverse, then all the way to the left and drive. You can do that. So it's very versatile, and that's why I like it. It's just generally a great steering method. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over hand-over-hand steering. I've created this video geared towards people that are learning to drive. I've shown you how to do and how to use hand-over-hand steering, and I've talked to you about the benefits as well. I hope that you liked this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.